Hi guys, sorry about the lack of videos over the last few weeks. It's been getting crunch time for me in terms of getting ready. I keep saying in terms of, I don't know why. As many of you guys know, I'm going to Germany in June, or I'll be in Germany in June. So I have been getting a lot of stuff ready, organizing stuff, making sure I had everything to take along for the trip. And that had put my YouTube video making in the back seat. As most of you guys know, or at least those who posted questions and asked for tech support, etc., I haven't been neglecting any of you guys. Instagram, I've been replying on Instagram, also emails, obviously. So I am still around. I just haven't had the motivation because of the upcoming trip to do video editing as well as recording videos at work. I have recorded some, just haven't gotten around to video editing yet. So anyways, I apologize. Hope you guys are okay with that, or have been okay with that. In the meantime, just go to my channel and click on channels, and you'll see all the oops, I just clicked on it. You'll see all the subscriptions that I have, and those are the guys that I also follow, obviously, and watch. So in the meantime, when I'm not posting videos, feel free to surf my subscription channel or my subscription page and follow everybody that I follow myself. There's too many to list. 128 I think it is. I'm just looking off to the side here so I can monitor. 126 that I'm subscribed to. There's a lot of good channels, a lot of do-it-yourselfers as well, and I'm sure these guys will fill your needs while I'm gone. And I hope to do more again when I get back, and obviously have a recap video of my trip to Germany. So anyways, we'll see you in July. Thank you for sticking with me though. Much appreciated. Take care. Bye-bye.
Sorted.